Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I'm sitting in the office right now and preparing to start this video for you as we are crossing the Alps today by train. The fact I decided to do this video is at the moment the costs for energy are skyrocketing high, and I want to give you a cheap and as well reliable way to go over the Alps to Italy from Germany. And right now this is where we're going to start this video. We're going from Munich Central Station to Austria and then into Italy, crossing the Alps on the Brenner Pass. Therefore, I'm using a direct EuroCity service operating by the German railway company DB and as well the Austrian railway company ÖBB. And as we're crossing into Italy, the operator for this route will be Trenitalia. And as I normally book my tickets quite early, this time I decided to book my ticket only yesterday to give you a good perspective how cheap it can be to go to Italy using the trains. And right now, for my Italian friends, buongiorno, sono Michele, sto facendo il viaggio con il treno EuroCity della Trenitalia dalla stazione di Monaco di Bavarese alla stazione di Rovereto. Andiamo! Munich main station is located right in the heart of downtown, only about 10 minutes walk away from Munich town hall. It's easy reachable by subway lines number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8, and as well all suburban lines. With its 34 tracks, it's quite huge, so be aware to bring enough time to get there. Today I'm traveling in a second class compartment, as you can see right here, with 6 seats facing each other. There is enough room for your carry-on baggage and your belongings, so no worries about that. I'm right now on board the EuroCity train number 85, going to Venice in Italy. Although I will be on this train only until the station of Rovereto, which is only a short hop over the Alps, right at the Lake Garda. And today this train is operating on a different route as well, as there is track maintenance on the main route from Munich to Rosenheim. We're going to have to do a detour, which is going via Holzkirchen on a very small stretch of track, so I will try to get as much footage as I can from this train from the back window to give you perspectives on the tracks as well, and I will play it right after I finish my intro here with you in just like a speed motion, so you can have a good experience on the tracks here, or how they look like in Bavaria. They're pretty small tracks, just like one single track lanes, and yeah, let's see how this one is going to turn out. But right now, let's wait till our train is going to depart here from Munich Central Station.
I do, I would know enough to change. But sometimes it just takes a mistake to see how much your heart can break. I'd be lonely if you walked away. Honestly, I'm just trying to see if I can build you up, help you.
After our detour via Holzkirchen, we are right now back on the main tracks towards the Italian border. First of all, we have to cross the Inn Valley towards Kufstein, then we are continuing onwards to Wörgl, Jenbach and Innsbruck, where we are going to start our climb over the Brenner Pass into Italy. For train travel and as well freight transportation, the Brenner Pass is the main connection between Northern and Southern Europe. Besides the Gotthard Tunnel and the crossing into Italy via Chiasso in Switzerland, most of the freight and as well the passengers will cross the Alps here at Brenner Pass. After about 25 minutes from Rosenheim to Kufstein, you are going to cross into the beautiful country of Austria and you will have amazing mountain views from the train from there on. The Inn Valley is the small stretch between Germany and Italy, which is holding as well the tracks we are on right now, but as well the interstate number A13 connecting Germany with Italy. Due to the preparation for having the Brenner Pass open pretty soon, there is as well a big stretch of tunnel between Jenbach and Innsbruck built already, which is used by the high-speed trains. So if you're wondering how to get not to use the tunnel, just use the SBB train going from Zurich to Graz, which is going just the normal old way over, and you will have beautiful mountains view all around you. As we are coming towards the south portal of the entrance of the tunnel near Jenbach, we are skipping onwards towards our arrival into Innsbruck main station. From there on, I will give you our time lapse from our ride on to the Brenner Pass from Innsbruck all the way up to the border with Italy. So sit back, relax and enjoy the ride onto the Alps.
17 centro Trento, dalla 256 alla 254 con 63 bis 259, obere Teil des Zuges von 278 bis 274 am Ende.
Welcome to Italy, everybody. We made it to the station of Brenner, which is the border station between Austria and Italy. And it's quite warm outside. It's middle of October and I'm wearing a t-shirt. So yeah, that's great. We're about 50 minutes layover right now here until our train is continuing onwards towards Venice. So far so good. The ride over to Italy was beautiful, although the train is pretty packed at the back, so there is not much filming done inside my cabinet, but I will have a lot of footage from the back of the train for you guys, as you have seen already. Right now we are just waiting until the locomotive is changed to Italian mode, and then we're continuing onwards down the Brenner Pass until we reach the sea level around Verona. I won't go this far. I will exit this train at Rovereto, and I will give you some more footage from here, but I won't go into detail as much because on my channel the videos number 50, 51 and 52 are a cab ride with a similar EuroCity train about 2 years ago, going from Verona all the way up to Brenner, and you can have a look outside of the window of the train driver. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, I will pop them up here on the screen for you, and if you just want to go to my channel list or you want to search it, it's BGV 50, 51 and 52. Let's continue onwards towards Rovereto. Right now I will get back on board and get myself something to eat at the moment. everybody to the station of Rovereto. We made it all the way down here from Munich central station in about 5 hours and about 20 minutes. It was a great ride on the DB ÖBB TRENNORD EuroCity train number 85 heading to Venice. Although, despite the fact that there was no restaurant car on board, there was a pretty good selection of snacks, hot and cold drinks available on board, and the lovely attendant who was serving snacks and coffee was doing a great job as well. And a short pointer, if you are wondering about the coffee situation on board, they have a pretty good cafe, or if you say it in German, espresso. So don't mind taking one cafe from the cafe car. And yes, right now we are at the end of today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I had fun making it for you, and there's only one thing I want to ask. If you like those kind of videos, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to. You help me more than you think you do, and let's grow this channel into a much more bigger community altogether. We made it quite a while yet, so a lot of new subscribers in the last couple of months, and let's keep this one going. So until the next time, my name is Michael. This channel is called the Bavarian Globetrotter here on YouTube. And yes, until the next time, just as always, keep on exploring.